Hey there, so here is ZALO app, fast, stable, private. What is it? It's a new market messaging app with amazing features. So it's a popular chatting app, I think, especially in Vietnam and some Asian countries. And then receive notification the moment they reply back. Express your emotion with fun and cheerful emoticons and stickers. Send voice messages with fantastic quality. Find and get acquainted with friends nearby. So also group messages, discard and play games with your friends. Share your location. So that's the app. You can just go and open it up, and then you can log in or create an account. So if you try to log in, that you need to enter your phone number or password. You can also recover your password. Yeah, you can also then just create your account. If you don't have it, you just enter your phone number, and then you receive confirmation text, and then you just need to add some of your personal information, just like your birth, just as an example here. And then basically that's how you created your account. You can then basically start exploring the app. Here's how the app looks like. It's very clean, it's nice design. You see your history, and then basically in top right you can just add friends. Just add friends by the phone number, or scan the QR code, or add people from your contacts if they're there. You can also generate your basically, or scan the QR code in top right if you like it this way. There is also create group, where you can create your own group. Also there is like a my cloud, where you can also have some cloud features. Then there is your account. Your There you have it. You can also verify your account with some additional steps, and then in the bottom you can delete your account there. So yep, that's what it is. And then there are also like messages here, discover timeline. So super easy, clean app, alternative for WhatsApp. So try it out.